It's such a peaceful day.
Yes, the sun feels warm but gentle.
Do you come here often?
Yes, mostly on weekends.
I like watching people jog.
Me too. They look so full of energy.
Do you jog?
Sometimes, when I'm not lazy.
Same here. I always promise to start tomorrow.
Tomorrow never comes, right?
Exactly.
But at least walking counts as exercise.
True. Do you walk every day?
I try to, especially after lunch.
That's a good habit.
It clears my mind.
Do you listen to music while walking?
Yes, soft songs or nature sounds.
I like podcasts instead.
Oh, what kind of podcasts?
Mostly about self-improvement.
That's nice. Learning while walking.
Do you read books too?
Yes, mostly short stories.
Any favorite writer?
I like Paulo Coelho.
The Alchemist?
Yes, it's full of hope.
I love that one too.
It reminds me to follow my dreams.
What's your dream?
To travel the world.
Where would you go first?
Japan, for the cherry blossoms.
Good choice. I'd go to Italy.
For pizza or for art?
Both.
I'd join you for that.
Do you take photos when you travel?
Always. I love capturing small moments.
Like this park now.
Yes, it's picture perfect.
Look at that dog chasing butterflies.
So cute.
Do you have a pet?
A cat. Her name's Luna.
Nice name.
She's very playful.
Does she go outside?
No, she prefers windows.
Mine too. My cat watches birds all day.
Maybe they dream of flying.
Maybe.
Or maybe they just like gossiping with sparrows.
That's funny.
I like to imagine that.
Do you live nearby?
Just a few blocks away.
That's convenient.
Yes, I can walk here anytime.
Do you come alone?
Sometimes with friends.
Do they like the park too?
Yes, we often sit under that big tree.
The one near the fountain?
Exactly. It's cool and shady.
I like that spot too.
Maybe we've crossed paths before.
Maybe. Fate wanted us to talk today.
That's a nice thought.
Do you believe in fate?
Sometimes.
I think small moments matter most.
Like random park talks.
Exactly.
These little chats make life warm.
Do you often talk to strangers?
Only friendly ones.
Am I friendly enough?
Yes, definitely.
Then that's good.
It is.
What do you do for work?
I'm a graphic designer.
Oh, nice. You must be creative.
I try to be.
Do you design logos?
Yes, mostly for small businesses.
That's cool. Do you work from home?
Yes, remote life?
Do you like it?
Yes, but sometimes it gets lonely.
Do you listen to music then?
All the time, it keeps me focused.
I do the same while studying.
What do you study?
Computer science.
That sounds tough.
It is, but also fun.
Do you code a lot?
Every day.
Then this park must be a nice break.
Absolutely. Fresh air helps me think.
Nature is the best teacher.
What do you mean?
It teaches patience and balance.
That's deep.
Parks make me philosophical.
Haha. That's good for the mind.
And for the heart, too.
Do you ever paint the park?
Once, during autumn.
How did it look?
Golden and peaceful.
I wish I could see it.
I'll show you next time.
So we'll meet again?
Of course.
That's great.
Let's bring coffee next time.
Deal.
And maybe some snacks.
I'll bring cookies.
I'll bring juice.
Sounds perfect.
A mini picnic.
I like that idea.
Me too.
The sun's going down.
Yes, time flies.
It was nice talking with you.
Same here.
See you next weekend?
I'll be here.
Then it's a promise.
A peaceful park promise.
Subscribe to my channel.